This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Kuvings. Now, I've tried many cold pressed juices over the years, but the Kuvings Auto10 has truly simplified my routine. Now, my personal experience is that it's simple to operate and quick to clean. Now, with the Auto10, I can make everything from nice cream to morning smoothies to sorbets, and I can even make plant-based milk. Now, if you'd like to give it a try, use my affiliate code JUICEGUY at checkout to save 10% on Kuvings. All right, go ahead, grab your fresh produce and get your juice. So it's the new year. So what we gonna do? Well, we're gonna get healthier. That's right. Right. We're gonna get healthier this year. But how do we do that? We hear people all the time talking about new year, new me, I'm gonna get healthier. But the reality is many people don't know where to start. How do I start? What do I start? Do I just give up everything? Do I become vegan? Do I start eating a keto diet? What do I do? And when you start thinking about all that stuff, that can be overwhelming. So overwhelming that you can find yourself in 2027 saying, okay, this is a new me, new year. And again, it can be overwhelming. So here are a few tips to help you start on your journey. So tip number one, the first thing you want to look at is what things do I need to add to my diet? Too often we're looking at things that we're going to take out of our diet and nobody wants anything taken away from them. So the first thing you want to do, what healthier things can I add to my diet? Now, your first meal of the day is so important. It sets the tone for the rest of your day. It affects your cravings. So you want to make sure that your first meal of the day is something healthy. And we already know what's healthy. We know fruits are healthy. We know vegetables are healthy. We know things like oatmeal, seeds, and nuts. Those are things that are healthy. So we want to incorporate those things in our first meal of the day. And the second thing you want to do is, mindset is so important. So while you're eating your healthy, whatever your healthy is, doing some prayer or meditation, just to kind of get your mind right, just to kind of get your mind set for the day. Because we all are experiencing all kind of stress and just thinking about all these things that we have to do. It's so important that we give ourselves to ourselves before we give ourselves away. So spending time while you're eating something healthy, reading something inspirational, whether it's a Bible or a personal development book or journaling, is really important because that's what you're doing for yourself. And the third thing we want to make sure that we're doing is getting our hydration on. That means drinking your water. Now, a lot of times we be thinking we're hungry, and it's not that we're hungry. Our body is dehydrated. And so making sure, I like to drink at least a gallon of water a day. Now, that may be too much for you depending on, if you're a smaller person, a gallon may be too much, but you want to make sure you're drinking lots of water. The thing is plan your meals, because if we don't plan what we're going to eat, we are going to eat whatever is available. So planning your meals and swapping out the fried food for something baked. That's a healthier choice that we can make that doesn't feel like you're taking away, the things that you really like. So if you like chicken, swap out fried chicken for baked chicken. And the fifth thing is just to move your body. Get your steps in. Get your 10,000 steps in. So whether that's in the morning before you go to work, on your lunch break, move your body. And here's the thing, getting healthier doesn't mean it's going to be perfect. None of us is perfect. So there may be some days that you don't meal prep or you forget to eat something healthy in the morning. That's okay. We're not going to throw in the towel just because we are not on target on a particular day. It's about progress, not perfection. Okay, so for the new year, what are we going to do? We're going to start our day eating something healthy, right? It's that fruit, some vegetables, some nuts or seeds, some oatmeal, something like that. Number two, we're going to make sure that we spend some time getting still, getting quiet, whether that's prayer, meditation, writing in our journal. We're going to give ourselves to ourselves before we give ourselves away. And also get your hydration on, whether that's water or fresh pressed juice. We ain't talking about soda. We're talking about water or fresh pressed juice. Get your hydration on, because we know that a lot of times our body is not hungry for food, it needs hydration. And then we want to make sure that we're meal prepping and planning what we're going to eat so that we don't find ourselves pulling up at some drive-through, getting something that is not going to be good for our body. So we want to make sure that we're moving our body at least 30 minutes a day, getting our steps in, getting at least 10,000 steps in a day. And you know, when you're moving your body, a lot of times that'll deal with some of that boredom that has us eating things we shouldn't be eating. You know, we be snacking on stuff. We're not even hungry. We're just bored. So getting healthier is all about mind, body, and spirit. And it's about making progress and not being perfect. And so in 2026, we're going to do it one day at a time, just one day at a time. And again, if we're not successful one day, we're not just going to throw in the towel and wait till the next year to start our journey toward a healthier life. We're going to start right now, and we're going to stay consistent. And consistent doesn't mean being perfect.